Hey you guys, today we're going to be doing a complete eye look, but today's video is actually going to be an eye look that we are going to be using the new TheBalm Meet Matt Schmaker. We're going to be doing a complete eye look using this palette, so I'm really excited about it because you guys know me, I love TheBalm. I have a bunch of their palettes already, so when this one came out, I was really excited to be able to play with it. We're going to get started on the eye look. I'm going to zoom you guys in. We're going to do all that, but before we get jumping into it, make sure to subscribe down below before you guys head out. That way you guys can be a part of my family, be a part of my channel, and make sure to stay till the very end because I have something very special for you guys. So let's get into this eye look. So here is what the packaging looks like. Very typical of TheBalm. Has that normal little cute guy right in the front, and then it says Meet Matt with E in the parentheses. Normally when they do something like this, it is a all matte palette. I just featured this one in my 2017's best of, and this here is the Meet Matrimony, and you guys can see the size comparison. It is a little bit smaller than the Meet Matrimony. You can clearly see that in this palette versus their other matte palettes, they decided to add a correlating shimmer shadow that's going to match it. And this palette actually on the front of it says meet your match. So as you guys can see, like this is Matt Wong, Jamie Wong, you've got Matt Campbell, Lisa Campbell. So you got like the matchmaker kind of portion of it, which I thought was kind of cute. Not only that, but it's also going to be really easy for you guys to pair. You guys have a nice crease shadow and then a shimmer shadow to go right over it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. There are a total of 12 shadows in the palette. You have 6 mattes and 6 shimmers that are going to be combined together. Each one is going to have a matching shimmer to go along with the matte shadow. The other nice thing about this is that it is available now. I will go ahead and have it linked down below as to where you get it. Let's get started into today's video. Let's go ahead and figure out what we're going to be doing. You guys, look at these little hearts around the mirror. Isn't that adorable? That's so cute. I love it. So to begin today's look, we're going to be priming the eyes because I have not primed these bad boys. We're going to be using MAC's Paint Pot and Painterly, and to apply it, I'm going to be using this Moda brush. It is part of their mermaid collection. This here is called the Domed Shadow Brush. So to set everything, we're going to go in with the very first shadow. This is a nice soft cream shadow. This is called Matte Lemos, and I'm actually going to take this on a Morphe 521 brush. There's not really a great transition shade. It kind of gets a little bit dark, or you can get a little bit more cooler. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Matte Chavarin shadow first, and we're going to start there. Now, because this is a little bit darker than what I'm normally used to going in with, you just want to make sure that you're going to go in a little bit light. It's gorgeous. Every time I do, every time I do, hey, yeah. I cannot get that stupid song out of my head. And if you guys are Hanson fans, do you know that song that they did like when they tried to make a comeback called Penny? The song is so good. I actually really love that song. I listen to it all the time. I looked at one of them the other day, or not a while. It was like a while ago, but I saw one of them here recently. Not bad looking. Some of them are kind of ugly, but the other one of them was kind of cute actually. I was like, not too shabby. There's another guy I saw. Oh, Jonathan Taylor Thomas. What happened to him? I was like, oh, I liked that when I was a kid. Oh no, JTT. You got all that money and you still look like that? I mean, look at Kylie Jenner. I mean, she got a shit ton of money and she looks great. I mean, I'd do it too if I had that much money. I'd be a whole new woman, that's for sure. Give myself big boobs, make myself like 3 inches taller. You got that much money, why not? Right? So I'm going to be taking a Matt Campbell, which is this deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to be using a Morphe M411 to apply it with. I'm going to go in with the Matte Chavarin again, and I'm actually going to take it on this Luxie 231 brush, and I'm going to run it on my lower lash line. This better come out good. Because what I filmed yesterday, I was like, this looks good. And then when I saw it on camera, I was like, I think you were drunk, Steph. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to be using Tarte's Shape Tape because it's really thick. So it's going to get me a nice crisp line. And then on top of that, my plan is to go in with Jamie Wong. Now I'm only going to cut the crease about halfway, but I am going to take that Jamie Wong all the way over. So it's going to be all over the entire lid. So if you guys are wondering why I didn't cut the crease all the way, the reason for that is because I have the brown underneath, so I really wanted to add a little bit of dimension, and I really want the inner corner to pop more so than the outer corner. So now that we have that packed on, I am going to go back in with a little bit of Matt Campbell, and I'm going to mix it a little bit with Matt Wong. And I'm just going to add it on the outer corner for a little bit of definition, just so that it gives a little bit of variation. For the lower lash line, we already went in with the first color. Now to deepen it just a little bit more, before we go in with the darkest color, I'm going to go in with Matt Snyder. I'm going to go ahead and put black in my waterline, and this here is the Smashbox liner. And you can go ahead and drag it down just a little bit because we are going to smoke that out with a little bit of Matt Wong again. If you guys want to do a winged liner, you're more than welcome to. I don't want to because I feel like it's going to take away from the emerald kind of eye look we have going on, and I think it already looks really pretty as is. So I am going to apply falsies, but first I'm going to go in with the Matte Schwing liner. If you guys haven't used this, you definitely need to. It is matte black. For mascara, I'm going to go in with the Tarteist Lash Mascara. You guys, this stuff is so good. Now, you guys can go ahead and leave everything the way that it is. If you guys have like a lash enhancing mascara, feel free to use that if that's something you want to use during the day. For me, you guys know me, I'm definitely going to go in with some falsies. So the falsies I'm going to go in with for today are by Pure Cosmetics. These here are the style called Bombshell. Why is it upside down? These here are the style, and they're called Bombshell. They're going to be really soft but still wispy. I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and I'll be right back. And then to finish off, I'm going to go in with MAC's Velvet Teddy. For the inner corner, I found that there wasn't really a light shade that I wanted to go in with, like nothing white. So I'm going to take this single shadow by Art Deco, and I'm going to apply it right on the inner corner using a pencil brush. And to finish off with highlights, I'm going to go in with MAC's Oh Darling highlight. And then right in the center, I'm going to go in with TheBalm's Mary Lou Manizer. So here is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it. And if you guys head over to my Instagram, I'm at StephsBeauty05. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with TheBalm. They actually gave me an extra set to give away to you guys. So one lucky winner is going to win the Schmaker palette as well as Schwing liner. So I'll have it linked down below, but head over there, you guys. I will be the most recent post. You guys can just enter there, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Don't leave without subscribing. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye.